Hi, this is Barney with the Darty Garden. Today, this is the third video. I'm looking for the ants. Okay, they're down there. They're not near me, so I'm over with the carpenter and fire ants. These are regular ants. I don't know what they call them, but anyway, this is the Philodendron. This is what you would call a common houseplant. You see this all over the country. What's unique about this particular Philodendron is the origins of where it came from. When I first came into the family, Grandma Petrano, my wife's great-grandmother, lived down on Avenue C, down, what is that, Lower East Side, East Village, I guess would be a good, correct term for it. But she had it as a house plant down there. And over the years, she says, Barney, would you like a piece of my house plant? I says, I love it. And this may not be the original, but it's a piece of a piece of a piece of a piece of a piece that came from that. And this is all over the place now. Many families have gotten rid of it. And I have it in this pot, and I have it hanging in the area. This plant traveled by car, it did this, it did everything else. Like I say, its origins was down, and it still survives after all these years. I'm showing you with my pot, and I had this growing over by the, basking in the shade of a Areca palm tree up in the front of the house near a bamboo and a few other things, a pink princess, pothoes and everything else is up there in the shady area. And I says, okay, that's the next plant to get the video up. And as you can see, there's long streams of the Philodendron. And there is a piece that literally fell off when I was pulling the plant out for the video. So what I'm going to do with this is most likely, I'm trying to see, I think I have a hanging pot someplace, or I'll have to get a larger pot for a hanging pot. I may exchange it for the one up in front. I have a pot house in a hanging pot, and I have to go get creative about putting a little base in it, because most of the bases I have in the stores, I forget the material they use, but over time they shrink, so I'm get creative with what they use to put this in a little house by itself, and then put it back in the shady area where the pot house is now, and just repot, do a few cuttings. As you can see, what's nice about these things, anywhere you see the root, just cut a little above it, and put the end where you cut in the soil, and let the root touch the soil, so this way the soil will grasp the root and start shooting up another whole new plant for you. Like I'm saying, pretty by next year, this is going to be huge. So I'm thinking about maybe that's a 5-gallon pot over there. I have a baking one, and I'll just cut that up in a crazy little way, and then use that for the base of that hanging pot over there. Let me see if I have one over here. There's to give you an idea. There's the, I'm not sure which one it is. There's the pink princess, there's the monstera. But I will make a hanging pot out of this little darling. So that's it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any questions on the philodendron plant? We're all ears. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.